You want to earn money simply by playing the simplest games. So stay, because this video is for you. I bring you a new opportunity with which you will be able to start earning practically automatically. The truth is that it is an incredible opportunity to start generating money. Quite simple, and it is one of the pages that has paid the most money in total. But well, if you want to see the complete information, I recommend that you watch the video until the end so that you do not miss a single word, and you also start earning with this platform, which will pay you a very good income for simply playing. Before starting the page that we are going to be using, it is roller coin, yes, other kind. Here you will be able to earn money for simply a mining simulator. The truth is that the opportunity is it was great. Here you can see how it works. You can even customize your worker. The truth is that it offers quite a few quite fun opportunities. Registration is quite easy to go. Click here on start mining and you will register with your email account and a password. You are going to accept terms and conditions here, and you are going to log in. Now once registered, you will simply touch login. Here we would accept terms of conditions. We click on accept. We are going to close this. Here we have new wallets, and as you see, my account appears here, how much I have won, how old are the passwords, or well, for example, the last update. And well, here we can see the information, the income that I have had in the last few days. That well, I have practically been quite inactive. Here for example, the different events, and here it appears, for example, well, my items. Now you can gain mining power quite easily. All you have to do is play for me. You can play, for example, this. Let's click here, and all you have to do is select the crypts. Obviously you don't have to click. There it is. We click here. It is a very simple game, but keep in mind that it will be something as simple as this. It will give you mining power. Okay, look, it really doesn't have any science. It is just clicking on the coins, as long as you don't click in these. There it is. We continue with these here, and that is 15 seconds left as it is level 1. Well, the truth is that it is the simplest. There it is. You may get confused with these. Let's click, and that's it. We give it in-game power, and how you see we are already starting to gain mining power, which is going to be in charge of doing a kind of mining in the cloud. Wait a few seconds and perfect. The mining power was increased by 400 GB for 24 hours. Now we are starting to work. In fact, you could buy several items. Here we are going to click on this. For example, you could buy mined with crypto. In fact, you do not need to invest a single dollar. You can buy all of these with the same game coins. Here are 25 of their coins. Here we can see how many we have, and look, we have several options. And well, obviously the more of these coins you have, or the more mining power you have, the more you will be mining. In addition to the fact that here it says how many tasks looking at. Look, for example, we have to be earning with this 2 million G hashes like this, that it would be a very good option to generate income. And I tell you, you don't really need to invest anything. You can buy a loot box, you can buy racks to put more mining power, and this only costs 0.15 or 0.8. Look, we click here, and as you see, we just spent 0.15 of rack coin to put our rack here. The truth is that it is quite simple, and they are quite economical. Here we have just received more coins. Here we can earn money for completing a task, and here we are obviously going to put our racks. Look, here it is. We select where we want to put it. For example, we can put it here, and now we are going to be winning. For example, all of these can be full of machines to be able to mine the Bitcoin, or well, the cryptocurrency that you want to mine. It is really a fairly simple game, and in fact it is one of the most reliable. You can go decorating your entire interface, and in fact people who are getting very good income with this. So if you simply want to start playing and winning, I tell you it is quite simple. You can start playing any of these games and you will be earning money for it. There is a lot of quite fun games. They do have a cool downtime, which will require you to wait a little time to start the next game, but it really isn't much. Honestly, you can play the game you want all day and be winning a lot. Look, for example, after winning 9 games, our computer will also increase its level. Here, for example, our computer is a basic level 1 computer, and here we can reset the levels to be able to start winning more. But well, tell me how it goes. Did you find this page to start generating? Leave me your comments in the description to know what you think. Until next time,